Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simple English Family. Today, we are going to learn irregular past verbs. Words like went, came, saw, got, and made. These words are very common in everyday English. You will hear them every single day. Before we start, here is today's question. What is the past form of the verb go? Is it goed or is it went? Listen carefully to today's conversations. You will find the answer. Write your answer in the comments below. Now, let's begin. Good morning, David. How was your weekend?
It was really good, Sarah. I went to my friend's house on Saturday.
Oh, nice. What did you do there?
We ate a lot of food and we watched a movie. It was so fun.
That sounds great. Did you stay late?
Yes, I came home very late, almost midnight.
No wonder you look tired today.
I am a little tired, but now I understand something. You said, how was your weekend, not how is your weekend? Why did you use was?
Good question. We use was because the weekend is finished. It is in the past. Was is the past form of is.
Ah, so is for now and was is for the past.
Exactly. And I said, what did you do there? Not what do you do there? Did is the past form of do. We use it to ask about a past action.
And I said I went to my friend's house. Went is the past form of go. We do not say I goed, we say I went.
Perfect. You already understand it. These verbs, go, come, see, eat, watch, they do not follow the normal past tense rule. We do not add ed. They have their own special past forms.
So we call them irregular verbs.
Exactly. Irregular means not regular, not following the normal rule. David, did you come here yesterday? I think I saw you near the vegetables.
Yes, I came here after work. I needed tomatoes and onions.
I came here too, but I went straight to the bread section.
That is why we did not meet. Sarah, wait, you said I came here and I went straight to the bread section. Both are past tense, but why did you use came for one and went for another?
Great question. We use came when we are talking about arriving at a place, moving toward where we are now. I came here means I arrived at the supermarket.
And went?
We use went when we are talking about moving away, going to another place. I went to the bread section means I moved away from the entrance and went there.
Oh, so came is arriving and went is going somewhere.
Exactly. Come becomes came. Go becomes went. Both are irregular past verbs.
Now I understand. What did you buy here?
I got milk, bread, and some apples. What about you?
I got tomatoes and chicken. I made soup last night.
Oh, you said got and made. Get, got, make, made. Also irregular.
So many irregular verbs. How do we learn them all?
The best way is to hear them in real conversations, just like we are doing now. I came here last week with my friend. The food was amazing.
I heard about this place. My colleague came here and said the pasta was excellent.
Yes, I had the pasta on my first visit. It was so good.
Had. Sarah, you said I had the pasta, but have means to eat now, right?
Good catch. Have can mean to eat or to experience something. In the past, have becomes had. I had the pasta means I ate the pasta or I ordered the pasta.
So have to had, also irregular.
Exactly. Now you're noticing all the irregular verbs.
I am trying. Did you go anywhere else for lunch last week?
Yes, on Thursday, I went to that new cafe near the office.
Oh, I saw that cafe. How was it?
It was okay, but I felt the coffee was too strong.
Felt. Feel to felt. Another irregular verb.
Yes, we use felt to describe a feeling in the past. I feel tired now. I felt tired yesterday.
I understand. What did you do after lunch?
I went back to the office, but first I saw a beautiful flower shop next to the cafe. I went inside and bought some flowers for my desk.
That is nice. You said saw. See to saw. Past tense. Irregular again.
Exactly. See to saw. I see the cafe now. I saw the cafe yesterday.
And bought. That is also irregular. Buy to bought.
Perfect. Now you are thinking like an English speaker. Hi, David. Sorry for calling late. Did you see my message?
Hi, Sarah. Yes, I saw your message, but I came home very late today.
No problem. How is your evening?
Tiring. I left the office at 7. Then I came home and made a quick dinner.
Made? You used made again. Make to made. We use made when we created or prepared something in the past. I make food now. To I made food last night.
Yes, and I said I left the office. Leave, left. Also irregular?
Yes. Leave, left. I leave at 6 every day. To yesterday I left at 7.
There are so many.
I know, but do not worry. You already know many of them. You just did not know the rule.
That is true. What did you do this evening, Sarah?
I ordered food from a restaurant. It came in 30 minutes.
Fast delivery. I tried to order food once, but the app gave me an error.
Gave, give, gave. The app gives errors sometimes. The app gave me an error last time.
I see it everywhere now. So what did you do after you ate?
I sat on my balcony and just looked at the sky. It was very peaceful.
Sat. Sit, sat. Another one.
Yes, sit, sat. I sit here every evening. To last night I sat on my balcony.
Sarah, I think I learned 10 new verbs in this phone call alone.
See? Real conversations are the best way to learn. David, I did not know you came here on Sunday mornings too.
Sarah, yes. I woke up early and the weather looked beautiful. I just came outside.
Same for me. I saw the sunshine from my window and I got up immediately.
Woke up. Is that also irregular?
Yes. Wake up, woke up. I wake up at 7 normally. This morning I woke up at 6.
And you said got up. Get up, got up. Same root as get, got.
Exactly. You are getting very good at this.
I walked all the way to the lake. It took about 30 minutes.
Took. Take. Took. The walk takes 30 minutes normally. Today, it took 30 minutes.
I also saw some children feeding the ducks near the lake.
Oh, I love that. I did that with my father when I was a child. He always brought bread for the ducks.
Brought, bring, brought. Also irregular.
Yes, my father brings bread to the park now sometimes. When I was young, he brought bread every Sunday.
Sarah, can we do a quick review? I want to say all the irregular verbs we learned today.
Great idea. Go ahead.
Go, went. Come, came. See, saw. Get, got. Make, made. Have, had. Feel, felt. Leave, left. Give, gave. Sit, sat. Wake up, woke up. Take, took. Bring, brought.
Excellent. You remembered all of them.
Now I have one last question. We learned today that irregular verbs do not follow the ED rule. But how do we know which verbs are irregular?
Honest answer, you have to learn them one by one. But here's the good news. The most common verbs in English, the ones you use every single day, those are the irregular ones. So if you learn irregular verbs first, you learn the most important and most useful English first.
That makes so much sense. Thank you, Sarah. I feel like I went from confused to confident today.
And notice you used went correctly right there. I feel like I went from confused to confident. Go, went. Perfect. David, let's practice one more time before work tomorrow. I will say a sentence in present tense. You change it to past tense. Ready?
Ready. Go ahead.
Okay. Every morning I go to the office. Past tense?
Yesterday, I went to the office.
Perfect. Now, she sees her friend at the park. Past tense?
She saw her friend at the park.
Excellent. He makes breakfast every morning. Past tense?
He made breakfast this morning.
You are so good at this now. One more. They come to the office at 9. Past tense?
They came to the office at 9.
Perfect score. David, do you see the pattern now?
Yes, these verbs do not change with ed. They have their own special past form, and each one is different. Go, went. See, saw. Make, made. Come, came.
Exactly. And the most important thing is, once you learn these irregular past forms, you never forget them because they sound natural. They feel right.
That is true. When I say I goed to the park, it sounds wrong immediately.
Yes, your ear will correct you. That is why listening to real English conversations every day is so important. Your ear learns what sounds right and what sounds wrong.
So the lesson today is learn irregular verbs by listening and repeating, not just by reading a list.
Exactly right. Reading a list helps a little, but hearing them in a real conversation, like we did today, helps much more.
I came here today for coffee, and I got an English lesson too.
The best kind of lesson.
Thank you, Sarah. I learned so much today.
Me too, David. Every conversation is a chance to learn. Remember, go, went. Come, came. See, saw. Use them today. Use them tomorrow. Use them every day.
I will. And now I need to go to work.
Me too. Let's go. Wonderful work today. You listened to 5 real conversations, and you learned the most important irregular past verbs in English. Let me say them one more time, slowly. Go, went. Come, came. See, saw. Get, got. make, made, have, had, feel, felt, leave, left, give, gave, sit, sat, wake up, woke up, take, took, bring, brought. Now, do you remember today's question? What is the past form of go? Is it goed or went? The answer is went. We never say goed. We always say went. Write the word went in the comments right now. And if you learned something new today, please click subscribe. We make new, easy English videos every day just for you. Thank you for watching Simple English Family. See you next time.